Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, solve natin tong lab na Insecure Direct Object References. So this lab stores user chat logs directly on the server's file system and retrieves them using static URLs. So to solve the lab, find the password for the user Carlos and log in into their account. So access natin yung lab and hanapin natin yung chat functionality, no? So nandito siya, live chat. And click this and we can look at here, no? Try the functionality. So JLearn PH and see na merong mga automatic na typing or chats na ginagawa. So when we view transcript, makikita natin na ayan, no, nag-download siya ng 2.txt. No? So let's investigate kung ano ba tong 2.txt na to, no? So here, ayan, nagkaroon siya ng get download transcript 2.txt and ito yung lumabas na information, no? So here meron tayong static na URLs na ginagamit. So let's send this to repeater and change this to, let's say, 1.txt kasi 2.txt daw, di ba? So now here meron na tayong chat logs ng ibang tao, no? So here makikita natin na merong hi Hal, I think I've forgotten my password. So basahin natin and here linik niya yung password niya, no? So we can now try and copy this and log in as this user, no? So my account and use the username Carlos and paste the password na nakuha natin and click login. So now we have solved the lab. So I hope nyo na-gets nyo tong video about IDOR and see you in the next video.